Program number 17. Write a program to enter two integers. How many integers? Two integers. And perform all arithmetic operations on them. Okay. So how many integers required? Two integers. And what you will do? Arithmetic operations. So which are called arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, then multiplication, division, floor division, and then remainder. For remainder, which symbol we are using? Modulus symbol. Okay, but in Python we are using one more symbol. This is floor division. Otherwise, as a arithmetic operations, if you will tell that, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder. Okay. So now two integers. So two inputs we require. So A equal to int input enter first number. Now B equal to int input enter second number. Okay. Now two inputs I have taken. Now what we'll do? Find out all the arithmetic operations. So first we'll do addition. So take S. If you will write sum, it is a keyword. Python keyword. So Python keywords we cannot take it as a variable. So how you will understand? See, the purple color has came. So that is the keywords. So S I will write. S equal to A plus B. This is the sum. Now subtraction, SUB. Subtraction. See, sub is not a keyword. So that's why purple color did not come. So sub equal to A minus B. First number minus second number. Now multiplication, MUL multiplication equal to A into B. Now division equal to A divided by B. Now floor division, F div equal to A floor division by B. Now remainder equal to A mod B. Okay. So now one by one we'll take as a print. Call to the print command to fetch the data. So print sum of two numbers equal to comma S. Okay. So I'm just copy this sentence because we need little bit changes required. Just like sum plus what will write? Subtraction. Subtraction of two numbers equal to sub, SUB. Now next, what is that? Multiplication. So we can write product of two numbers, otherwise multiplication of two numbers. Product of two numbers equal to mul. Next, division. division of two numbers equal to div. Now floor division. Floor division of two numbers equal to f div. Then next, remainder of two number. Remainder of two numbers equal to rem, R-E-M. Done. Now run the program. Enter first number. Suppose 56, second number 23. See, sum of two numbers 79. Subtraction of two numbers, when we will subtract it, 56 minus 23, what are the answers will generate? 33. Then product 56 into 23. So then 1288. When we will divide it, so this one will come 2.434. Floor division. Floor division, remember that it will take only to the integer quotient, this part. So that is why two answers came. Now remainder of two numbers, when we will divide it, whatever remainders it will come, so then it will, this is 10.